the inauguration day very meaningful. And especially I thank all the chairpersons and vice chairpersons from different churches, those who came here, and the matron and patron from different churches. And also I take this occasion to thank the new committees who is entirely spending their all energies to organize this program very well. Monde and his company. And also I take this occasion to thank Sister Faustina, who is always with us as a nation and helping us. And also I take this occasion to thank each one of us for cooperating each other. And let us, now we began, now let us go forward as a one, so that we can bear witness to Jesus Christ in our day-to-day life. And also I take this occasion to inform something, that as we know, before 2 or 3 months, the new committees were elected, but we could not go forward with the programs which was scheduled because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And now the COVID cases are decreased. Now we will go forward with youth activities. Youth activity doesn't mean that it includes only youth rally. Youth rally is one of the activities. There are many activities which we can organize in church level and parish level. We did not follow the youth rally so far. We have the aim to conduct the youth rally if time allows in the future. But for the timing, we postponed the youth rally. That is the conclusion. Don't ask anything to the committee members and don't press them for the youth rally. That is what I want to request you from. If time allows and everything is okay, we will conduct the youth rally in the future. And as a timing, we will organize and we will go forward with the new creativity and new youth activities. And as we know, in this pandemic, we can, as a youth, we can organize many things. So let us think of it, and we will try to conduct some of the youth activities as we can. So when I was elected as a chaplain, I asked from you, what should I do? Then Simata, who said me, you drive me safely. I started to drive. It's up to each one of you whether you want to enter into the bus. That's it. Each one of you can decide. I will try to guide you. I will try to concentrate you more in spiritual way. That is what I want to say. Because unless and until, if we are with the God, if we are spiritually rooted and based, our activities will not bring the fruits. The organization becomes mere and social organization. That is not the meaning of youth activity, youth group in the Catholic Church. The youth of the Catholic should more deepen in the spiritual way. That is the main first priority. After comes the all other activities. As we know, why I am mentioning today this? There are many youth today. I am very happy, but I should make one remark. as a youth, when you participate in the Eucharist, you also should prepare to receive the Holy Communion. That's the main thing. Because the Holy Communion reaches its culmination when we receive the Holy Eucharist. Otherwise, it is mere ritual practices. It is not mere ritual practices. Holy Eucharist is not mere ritual practices. We know, for example, if you are invited for a marriage function and we went for the mass, and if we are not going for the what do we call the lunch or supper, whatever may be, the function is not full. We are not participated in the function fully. This is the Holy Eucharist is also the same way. If you are participating in the Holy Eucharist, people also should be prepared to receive the Holy Eucharist. Then only the Holy Eucharist will become reaches its culmination. And after receiving the Holy Eucharist, also it's not ended. Holy Mass should lead our life in a proper way, which means that we should be a living Holy Eucharist in our day-to-day life, which means that we should walk ourselves in our circumstances, wherever we may be, whatever the status of life we live. It may be a religious life, it may be a family life, whatever life, whatever call we receive, maybe. That doesn't matter. But we should drop ourselves like a Holy Eucharist. Then only the Mass become meaningful. So let us also try to move in that direction so that our all activities and all our works may come in fulfill, may bear much fruit in our day-to-day life. Thank you each one.